Introduction to RoyalQ. What is RoyalQ? RoyalQ is one-click robot trading system that has made crypto trading possible for everybody, even you have little or no experience in crypto trading, by using a quantification system. What is quantitative trading? Quantitative trading involves the development of trading strategies with the help of advanced mathematical models. The key idea is to pick investment or build a trading strategy solely based on mathematical analysis. The advantage of quantitative trading is that it allows for optimal use of available data and eliminates the emotional decision-making that can occur during trading. High-frequency trading. The RoyalQ quantitative robot uses a certain strategy to buy and sell crypto with high-frequency trading to obtain profits. Cycle mode to compound. For every profit that the robot makes, it automatically buys again and sells at high frequency. With proper understanding of trade strategy, you will reap the benefits brought by this auto trade system. 24/7 Market Watch. The bot trades 24 hours 7 days without interruption and helps you make money by keeping an eye on the market for 24 hours. Live trading. Digital currencies fluctuate every day. The robot uses artificial intelligence algorithms to buy crypto and sell crypto to help us make money. It uses its own unique profit strategy to replace manual market tracking. The road to profitable quantitative trading from scratch begins right here. The RoyalQ quantification system adopts a multi-strategy, multi-technology, fusion intelligent quantification mechanism. With just a click of few buttons, you will be ready to trade. The Trade Master's strategies are provided together with the system. Simply select Trade Master and synchronize your strategy. Done for your trading strategy. Quick facts about RoyalQ. Annual fee of only $120 USDT. No monthly subscriptions. Your capital and profits remain safe in your own wallet. Trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Works on Android or iOS phones. Not affected by mobile data or Wi-Fi being off. We trade on the world's top 2 exchange, Binance and Huobi Global. Safety. Your money is safely trading on Binance or Huobi through a secure API integration with the RoyalQ robot. The bot can therefore be unbound from your Binance or Huobi account anytime. Advantages. Quantitative trading strategy. Simple and easy to operate. Artificial intelligence, security, real-time strategy. Let us look at what is in it for you. Comes with a very rewarding referral program. No rank maintenance. Real-time payment. Who is next to say yes to financial freedom? RoyalQ Compensation Plan. An overview of the network income. The network income consists of 2 components. Activation bonus, which we call activation gain, which is your direct sales bonus. Trade profit, which we call direct quantification, and team quantification, which derives from the trade profits. Activation gain. Of the 120 USDT that RoyalQ receives when someone activates the robot, RoyalQ keeps 40 USDT and distributes 80 USDT back to the network, which is us. Now let's look at how activation gain profits are distributed. Pay out 30 USDT to 70 USDT depending on your rank. Rank V1 30 USDT, Rank V2 40 USDT, Rank V3 50 USDT, Rank V4 60 USDT, Rank V5 65 USDT, and Rank V6 70 USDT. Trade profits. You are entitled to a percentage of trade profits which makes up your residual income from your direct team member as well as your indirect team member. Whenever a trade is closed, which means there is a profit. Direct quantifications. Trade profits of team members directly referred by you. Team quantification. Trade profits of your indirect team. Trade profits breakdown. Whenever there is a trade profit, the robot is entitled to 20% of the trade profit. When the profit comes to the RoyalQ, RoyalQ then converts the trade profits received to 100%. RoyalQ keeps 30% and distributes 70% to the network, which is us. This is how the trade profit is calculated and distributed. 20% to 60% depending on your rank. Trade profits breakdown. Rank V1 20%, Rank V2 30%, Rank V3 40%, Rank V4 50%, Rank V5 55%, Rank V6 60%. Very important note. We do not receive anything from the capital. We only receive from the trade profit. Another important note. We will receive team rewards as long as our team members are at least one rank below us. When they rank up to the same rank as us, the team reward will stop because we are not entitled to override the same rank. However, once we rank up to the next level, then the team rewards will be your entitlement once again. Peer reward benefits. Rank V3 to Rank V6, 10% of team trade profits. In RoyalQ compensation plan, when we build a team, we get to override part of the rewards that are in the compensation plan when we rank up. We override from activation gain and trade profits. However, we will lose that benefit when anyone in our team come up to our same rank. This is when peer reward kicks in. However, it is only available from Rank V3 to Rank V6. Activation peer income. This benefit is available from Rank V4 to Rank V6. When your peers rank up to the same level, you will lose activation gains. However, in Rank V4 to V6, you will be compensated by the activation peer reward as well as peer reward. Activation peer income. Rank V4 1.5 USDT. Rank V5 1.5 USDT. Rank V6 1 USDT. Peer reward is in recognition of your leadership, also as a token of appreciation, since you would have lost the activation and trade profit until you rank up one step above your peer. Wait, there is one more super exclusive benefit. Global dividend. The premium reward is exclusively available for Rank V6 only. This is in recognition of your leadership, also as a mark of appreciation for your outstanding team building effort. Activation weighted share. Of the 120 USDT that the RoyalQ receives from the activation, RoyalQ reserves 10 USDT from every activation worldwide and shares it with all the V6 according to their weighted share. If you have one V6 in your team, you get one additional share. If you have two V6 in your team, you get two additional share. If you have three V6 in your team, you will get three additional share, so on and so forth. RoyalQ sets aside 10% of the trade profits based on the understanding that you now have of the calculation of the trade profit ratio of the entire community worldwide that is trading with the RoyalQ robot and shares it with all the V6 Royal partners. This reward is extra and above all the other rewards that you are entitled to as V6. This is how amazing is the compensation plan is. This is available to you. Are you the one who would want this to be part of your life, or shall we look for another? If it is you, we say welcome aboard. Thank you and stay blessed. RoyalQ rank up structure. Rank up requirements for V1. Activate your robot and you become a V1. We all start here. Rank up requirements for V2. 3 directly referred activated members. 20 total activated team members. Rank up requirements for V3. 5 directly referred activated members. 3 V2 from separate lines. Do note that the 3 V2 do not need to be your directly referred members, they can be indirect. 100 total activated team members. Rank up requirements for V4. 8 directly referred activated members. 3 V3 from separate lines. Do note that the 3 V3 do not need to be your directly referred members, they can be indirect. Your total activated team members required for the rank up will be taken care of by the 3 V3 that you need for your rank up to V4. Rank up requirements for V5. 12 directly referred activated members. 3 V4 from separate lines. Do note that the 3 V4 do not need to be your directly referred members. They can be indirect. Your total activated team members required for these rank up will be taken care of by the 3 V4 that you need for your rank up to V5. Rank up requirements for V6. 20 directly referred activated members. 3 V5 from separate lines. Do note that the 3 V5 do not need to be your directly referred members. They can be indirect. Your total activated team members required for these rank up will be taken care of by the 3 V5 that you need for your rank up to V6. Potential daily income. Rank V1 30 to 60 USDT daily. Rank V2 30 to 100 USDT daily. Rank V3 100 USDT and above daily. Rank V4 300 USDT and above daily. Rank V5 500 USDT and above daily. Rank V6 1500 USDT and above daily. Who is next to say yes to financial freedom?